How to book a Grab taxi in advance in Philippines. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can book Grab taxi in advance in Philippines. To do so, first of all, open your Grab application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this page. Here in this page at the bottom, you will be able to see currently selected country. Tap on it. And now from here, you will need to select Philippines. Once you select Philippines, select a city from here. Once you select a city, now you can see you have selected Philippines as your country. After doing that, in this page at the top, you will be able to see this car icon. Tap on it. And by doing so, you will reach to this transport page. In this page now, you will need to scroll a bit down. And then here you'll be able to see advanced booking option. Tap on this advanced booking right here. Or you can also tap on this advanced booking under this pre-book your rides option. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to a new page. Here in this page, now you will be presented with some of this information. Make sure to go through it. And now tap on the Get Started button at the very bottom. Here select date and a time. Tap on the first text box and select a date from this calendar. Once selected, tap on the OK button at the bottom right and again select a time. Once after selecting the time, tap on this Book in Advance button at the bottom. Now you will need to input your current location as pickup point and your destination as drop-off location. Once you have selected the location, inside it, here you will need to tap on Choose this pickup option. After doing that, now select one of these options available here as per your preference. After that, tap on this None button at the bottom. Here select your card and after that, return back to the previous page and then tap on the Schedule Grab option at the bottom right. After that, you will be able to schedule or book a taxi in advance in Philippines. Soon after doing that, you will receive a confirmation notification regarding your booking. So by following these steps, you can easily book a Grab taxi in advance in Philippines. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.